This is Celia Shanaj, one of the general chairs of IEEE International Women in Engineering Conference on Electrical and Computer Engineering. We call it IEEE WIECON-ECE 2023. This conference is jointly organized by IEEE Bangladesh section and IEEE Kerala section, along with their corresponding Women in Engineering WIE Affinity Groups. To encourage female authors, each paper should contain at least one female author. This will be held in a hybrid mode from 25th to 26th November 2023. At this moment, we are really expecting late break papers and contributions. I know by joining IEEE WIECON-ECE 2023, you will be having an amazing experience interacting with world-class keynote speakers, tutorial speakers, and other session speakers. And you can reshape your life and you can really feel a competitive nature to lead the smart world. This is very important. Please contribute and enjoy Kerala and have a good time networking with each other. The future is yours. Thank you.